Hello everybody, welcome to SS Multimedia. This is Abir and Paul, and today we're going to be talking about area and distributive property. Objective: understanding how to solve area problems while doing distributive property of multiplication. So today we're going to do some area problems, area like width times length, so 2 times 3. We're not going to do problems like these, we're going to do problems like these with rectangles, 2 times 3, I'm going to just draw a line here, and 2. So this is area. We're going to solve these type of area problems, and we're going to do the distributive property of multiplication to solve these. So let's get started. So first problem here, we're going to do some distributive property. How we're going to do first is we're going to see. So this is going to be length times width. So this is going to be 2 times 3, 2, plus, I'm going to note this down in distributive property way, 2 times, this is going to be 2 times, sorry, I got that mixed up, 2 times 3 plus, and this 4, and then parentheses. So this is the way you're going to note down your distributive property when you're doing area. You're going to do the the width, and then times 3 plus 4 here. So then how we can solve this is we can do 2 times 3 plus 2 times, 2 times 4. So first we're going to do 2 times 3, which equals 6, and 2 times 4, which equals 8. Now we're going to add 6 plus 8, which equals 14. Now, so this answer would equal 14. 14. So this is how you can answer. And this is how you do the distributive property. And your mind might be confused right now. You might be thinking, oh my gosh, this is so confusing. But it's really not. So basically you do the area and the length and this number. So you do 2 times parentheses 3 plus 4. And then basically you just do 2 times 3 and 2 times 4. Sorry, let me draw that a little better. You guys can see it clearly. So basically all we're doing here is just multiplying 2 times 3 and 2 times 4. And then once we're done multiplying those, we're adding both the answers, and then we're getting a final total, which equals 14. Now, let's try this one. So we're doing 3. Let me get a different color here. 3 times parentheses 6 plus 2. Now you're wondering, why are we using parentheses? Because parentheses are, it represents the 6 plus 2, as in like, okay, it's not meaning that that we're gonna do this first or anything, but it's just like it's a different type of problem, so that's why we put parentheses. You don't have to, but using the distributive property, you have to when you're doing the distributive property. Now let's try to calculate this. So we're going to do 3 times 6 and then 3 times 2 and then add both answers. So 3 times 6, let me do it right around here. 3 times 6 equals, I'm going to do it with some more space so you guys can see the total. So of me doing it in parts. So I'm going to do it right here, if that's okay. So I'm going to do 3 times 6 plus 3 times 2. And whatever we get for these two multiplication answers and we add them, then that's going to be our final total. 3 times 6 equals 18, and 3 times 2 equals 6. Now, for some kids, they can't do this way, so I'm going to do it like this. 18 plus 6. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Here the 1 plus 1 equals 2. So our answer here would be 24, our final total. So the area of this equals 24. And the area of this equals 14. Now, let's do some problem time and try to solve these answers. So we're going to do 1 parentheses, times 1 times parentheses 6 plus 3. And then let's try to solve. So we're going to 1 times 6 and 1 times 3. So 1 times 6 plus 1 times 3 equals the total. 1 times 6 equals 6, 1 times 3 equals 3, and we're adding 6 plus 3 equals 9. So the answer for this array would equal 9. Now let's do our next problem. Get a different color. So we're going to do 2 times, sorry, I said times, but I wrote addition. I put 2 times parentheses 4 plus 3 parentheses. I'll start to add 2 times 4 plus 2 times 3. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 3 equals 6. And now I'm going to add 8 plus 6 equals 14. So the area for this shape equals 14, and the area for this shape equals 9. So I advise you to do the parentheses and make sure you write the answer next to the area, because your teacher might not know where the answer is. It could be, oh, is the answer 9 or 9? Oh, sorry, 9. In case if you wrote 8 right here, she would say 9 or 8. So probably you have to put the answer next to like the equal, like how I'm doing it, so your teacher won't be confused. Now, let's do a few more problems. Let me get my other pen. Now we can get started. So we're going to do 3 times 10 plus 2. And I'll start to add 3 times 10 plus 3 times 2 equals how much? 3 times 10 equals 30, and then 3 times 2 equals 6. We're going to add 30 plus 6, which equals 36. So the area for this equals 36. Now, before we end this video, I want to give you guys a couple of problems, and I want you guys to answer it and comment down below what you get for your answer. So I'm going to draw a rectangle. You can see how I'm doing the problems in the beginning. So I'm going to just draw like that. I'm going to get my other pen here. I'm simply just going to shade this in. You can see how I did the problems in the beginning by seeing me how I did them now. So you can do these problems in practice too. And then I'm going to get my other pen and just shade this side in. Because it's good, because we're not just doing width times length, we're also doing another number. So I just want to shade the part in where we're doing a different number. Okay, that should be good enough. Now, let me give you guys your numbers. So 3 times 3 times 6. So comment down below what you get for your answer. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Abhiram Palam. Comment down below how we can make our videos better. And if you want to do anything like this and you have technical issues, please comment down below. We can help you. And please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And look out for the 4th grade videos. 3rd grade is coming out soon, and 5th grade. Have a great day. Bye-bye.